In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up an email signature in Pipedrive CRM. Setting up an email signature is an essential step in establishing your professional identity and ensuring that every email you send from Pipedrive conveys a consistent and polished image. To get started, you'll first need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to pipedrive.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. If not, enter your credentials to access the main dashboard. Once you're in, look for the Sales Inbox option. It's typically located in the top menu bar. Clicking on Sales Inbox will take you to the section where you can manage your email communications, which includes setting up your email signature. Next, you'll want to locate and click on Select Signature. This option is usually found within the email settings or at the top of your inbox view. By selecting this, you'll be able to view any existing signatures you might have and manage them accordingly. If this is your first time setting up a signature, don't worry. The process is straightforward and user-friendly. After you've clicked on Select Signature, the next step is to click on Manage Email Signatures. This will open a new window or panel where you can see all the options related to your email signature. Here, you can create, edit, or delete signatures. The Manage Email Signatures section is your central hub for customizing how your outgoing emails appear to recipients. Now, it's time to click on Add Signature. This is where the creative part comes in. You'll be prompted to enter the details you want in your signature, such as your name, job title, company name, phone number, and any other relevant information. You can also add images, like your company logo and hyperlinks to your website or social media profiles. Remember to keep your signature professional and not too crowded. Simplicity often makes the best impression. As you're crafting your signature, ensure that the font style and size are consistent with your email's body text to maintain a cohesive look. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields and are satisfied with your design, don't forget to save your changes. It's always a good idea to send a test email to yourself or a colleague to see how the signature looks in a real email. And there you have it. Setting up an email signature in Pipedrive CRM is as simple as following these steps. By taking a few moments to create a professional email signature, you enhance your communication and make it easier for your contacts to remember you and your business. If you need to make any changes in the future, simply follow these steps again to edit your signature as needed. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you maintain a professional presence in all your email communications. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using Pipedrive CRM effectively.